Oh shit, this hella tight.
What? So they're fighting right now?
Yup. Got him.
Right there?
Don't get too close, the bee's right there.
There's a large ball. There's a bee right there.
You know the spider and bee is fighting?